Hey there, ever wondered how those delicious crispy potato chips actually get made? I mean, you open a bag, hear that satisfying crunch, but what's the real story behind it? Well, today's your lucky day. We're taking you on an amazing behind-the-scenes tour of a real potato chips factory. You're gonna see everything, from fresh potatoes arriving straight from the farm to those perfectly seasoned chips landing in your bag. We'll walk through each step together. Seriously, it's cooler than you think. There's high-tech machines, super precise processes, and some really smart food science happening here. So grab a seat, get comfy, and get ready to see how your favorite snack comes to life. Trust me, after this, you'll never look at a potato chip the same way again. All right, let's dive right in and start this crunchy journey.
Everything seems to be in order. Proceed to the main unloading bay.
Understood. Thank you.
Our advanced spray tunnel technology removes every speck of soil, guaranteeing a pristine product. pull that pallet further to the left for even weight distribution.
Got it. Securing the straps now.
That'll be $12.55.
Great, here you go.
Thank you.